In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board from a template. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool for managing projects and organizing tasks, and using templates can save you an enormous amount of time when setting up new boards. Let's dive right in. To get started, first head over to Trello.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the login button, typically in the upper right corner of the web page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you'll have the option to sign in either with your email or through your Google account. Choose the method that works best for you and complete the login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage. Here, navigate to the boards section. It provides an overview of all the boards associated with your account, making it a great place to start when you're organizing your workspace. Once in the boards section, scroll down to find the section labelled Your Workspaces. This area lists all the different workspaces you belong to, each containing its individual set of boards. Now choose the specific board you wish to use as your starting point. On the board's main page, look for the plus button, usually located in a prominent place. Clicking the plus button opens up a few options for creating new boards, one of which is Start with a Template. Select this option to view a list of templates available for you to use. Browse the templates and select one that best suits the needs of your upcoming project. Each template is pre-configured with lists and cards tailored for specific types of projects, so take a moment to review what each has to offer. Once you've selected a template, it's time to name your new board. The name should be descriptive enough to easily identify the board's focus or project. Enter the desired name in the provided text field. Next, select the workspace where you want to create this new board. The workspace acts as a container for your boards, helping to keep them organized in a way that makes sense for your projects or team structure. Then decide on the visibility setting for the board. This can vary from private to public based on who you want to give access to. If you'd like to retain any existing cards from the chosen template, be sure to check the corresponding box to keep them intact. Otherwise, feel free to start with the default template setup. Finally, with everything in place, click the Create button to finalize the setup. Your board is now live, and you can start customizing it to better fit your project's requirements. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Trello board using a template. By utilizing templates, you can streamline the process of setting up new boards and ensure consistency across projects, saving you time and effort. Happy organizing!